Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to Nomax TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 500 USD by doing affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you one of the platforms that you can join and also make a lot of money by doing an affiliate marketing. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, that is where most people are doing their businesses and also be able to make a lot of money also by doing affiliate marketing. So there are different platforms that you can be joining and also be able to make a lot of money. Depends on how you have also made. So also in affiliate marketing, you always need to be able to earn a commission. Depends on the given task you have performed. Depends on also the sales you have also made. It all depends on the nature of the affiliate program that you are using. And also it all depends on the way you are making money. It may be the activities you are inviting people to perform the platforms. It may also be the invitation of the clients to be purchasing the given product and earn commissions. But also affiliate marketing will come in different places and will come in different positions. So we're going to be showing you how you can be doing this and also be able to earn up to 500 by using this platform I'm going to be showing you. So remember to subscribe to the channel TV, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Nomax TV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. So now we're going to be looking at how can be making also up to 500 by also working on ShareSale. ShareSale is one of the affiliate marketing programs or platforms that you can be joining. And also it is where different platforms are linked so that they can be hiring an affiliate, so also who will be working as an affiliate for those companies to be able to make a lot of money. You will find different companies and also you'll be able to select the one to choose and also be able to make a lot of money. Let's get started by signing up to the platform. As you can see, I'm clicking here. What I need to do, I need to come here to the sign up. I need to choose also an affiliate sign up because I'm going to be doing affiliate marketing, which means I will be able to get access to the services, to the affiliate services. So what I need to do here, I need to fill out my username and password. I need to fill out the details which are required here, create a username, and also I have to put my username. So let's say that my username is this one, Ray01. So I have to put also my password, which is the one I'm going to be using. Yes, pass. Now I have also to be putting the password again to confirm. So you have to make sure that all these details are filled so that you can be continuing. So if you don't see your country listed below, now you have to be putting the country here. And also if you don't see the country listed below, that is where we're going to be selecting also other options. As you can see, they are telling you this means that our services is not available for this country. So also if you don't see the country listed below, that means your the services is not available, which means if you are from the country which is not supported by affiliate. So I have to scroll down and choose my country, and also once I have got my country, I want to be proceeding with the next steps. So let me choose this country and also go to step 2. And also once I'm on the second step, that is where I'm going to be proceeding with also the further details. As you can see, they are checking checking the security to be proving that I am human. Once the captcha is verified, that is where also I'm going to be clicking here. Once it is verified, I can also proceed to the next step. As you can see now, they are also telling me the page has been expired. Please enter your login credentials. So what I did, let me check here on my email. As you can see, I have put my password. Let's try to be putting the also the username and password to see if our details have been confirmed. Then also I click here. So which means my account is now this one. As you can see, affiliate account creation. What you need to do here, they're asking you to be providing the website URL that you will be using also to be promoting the products. So let me put the website, primary website of our account. The website may be added to our account later. This website will be visible to merchants when applying to their programs. This website will be used to verify information you enter. So now I'm going to be also choosing the language, and also I'm going to be this is the website information I have to be providing. Now let me also search for the website that I'm going to be also starting here, that I will be using also on the affiliate marketing program. So I'm going to be searching my website, and also once I search my website, that is where I'm going to be proceeding and do the further details. So now let me put this website that I'm going to be using as an affiliate. Also have to click this link, and also I have to copy it. Once I copy this, I'm going to be inputting here into the URL of the website, and also I'm going to be also editing this one. So what I'm going to do, this is the English as my content, and also they're asking me how is my website. You can be choosing written in other language, also other than English. Now what I need to do, I need to be also answering these questions. Does the website contain that content? No. So do you utilize sponsored listings in pay-per-click search engines? Also no. Do you trace coupons as part? No. Now you have to be selecting, do you trace browser add-ons? No. Are you on an advertising network? No. Do you have a network or publishers in which you deliver ads? Yes. Do you display advertisement on a site that you don't own? No. Yes. Then I go to the step 3. So on the step number 3, I want to be also fulfilling the other details. As you can see, I provided the website information. I provided the also email address. Now I have to choose the email address. Standard application. Shares require also valid email addresses to associate. Now I'm going to be using the email here, or that is what I'm going to be also adding here. So now I'm going to be adding 164@gmail.com. So this is the email I'm going to be using, and also once I'm done this one, I'm going to be proceeding to the step 4. So as you can see, they're asking me other information, including the contact information, including the country. Also, you have to fill these details also to be able to proceed to the next step. Let me provide the information to go to the next step. So once you have done also that one, you need to be completing the payment options. That is, payment option is made of the 20th of every month. And also you'll be choosing the check via postal services, check via Federal Express. This is the payment options available for me, and also it can be send via Federal Express, send check via postal email. So the final step is let us know how you would like to get paid. That commissions you generate. Payments are made on 20th every month. You may choose your payment method after the sign up. You may also change your payment method once accepted into the network. So now let me complete the sign up. Also, you have to read the terms of agreements. Then also once you accept the terms and agreement, you have to complete sign up. So now this is also my final step of application. Thank you for your application. We have sent an email and address, choose, and also we need to follow the instructions in that email. Once you have completed that, we'll also review application within the next 5 to 7 business days. Please know that time may also differ accordingly. Let me check the email also and follow the instructions they might have been sent. And also here is the sign up option. I have to click here to confirm my sign up so that you can also start reviewing my application. So once also I confirm my application, also they are going to be reviewing also my application. You have confirmed that your account on ShareSales. Our member will be reviewing your applications, and also can be getting the message either have been also accepted or denied in the program. So now you have been approved in your affiliate program, in your ShareSales program. What you need to do, you need to come here on Merchants. You have to be logged into our account, and also come into Merchants. I want to go to Merchants. That's why I selected the one I'm going to be working for. So now I need to choose the Merchants. Search for the Merchants. You can be choosing which one. Let me search, for instance, here. If I click on this one, I'm going to be getting the details also of the merchant that I can be working with. You can see I'm going to be getting the details that, for example, let's explore the one which is going to be paying a lot of money and see how much you can be earning. Suppose that you can be choosing this one, for instance. start ink. If I click on this, I'm going to be opening and also see how much I can be making. So they also made an average sale of 1085.54 USD, and also here is the AP of 746. So program online for 80 days. You can see they are showing you how the program is online. Mobile percentage 41%, this percentage also 68%. Now let's see how much money you can be making for this one. For this one, you can be making up to 166.61 USD per commission. That's the average commission, which means it might even go beyond, go above this, because also this is an average one. So let's go to the merchants and see another one. You need to be choosing the merchants. Also depends on the one you be working with. Download the merchant list. You can be downloading the merchant list and also be able to observe and see who one you can be working with. I don't have an invitation. Let me choose this one. So if I choose this one, I'm going to be scroll down and see which one I can be going with. For example, let me go to this one, Banner is. So then I click on it. Once I click on it, I'm going to be seeing Banabis. Merchant is a 60 commission per sale. So let's go down and see. You can see you can be earning up to 21 USD per 0.92 as a average commission. So now you can be able to make a lot of money. Suppose that you also can be able to make like 100 sales or 100 sales as an affiliate. Suppose that also you can be make let's take an example of this one, which is also paying 61, and also where you can be making up to 166 times 3 or times 4. That is why we're going to be easily making also up to 500 USD, which is also going to be very simple, and also it's going to be a very big amount of money you can be making. So what you need to do, you need to choose either you can join on this program, and once you have also chosen this program, you need to join, and also you need to click here also as I have read the agreements, then you click here, then you submit your application. So you need to read the terms of agreement and also see if you have to not go beyond before you apply. And also after this, you need to submit your application. Once you submit your application, you need to have to wait to see if they are going to be approving your application and also getting started into the program. You'll be getting various options to be getting the deals, including the cards, including also the displays on the websites, also including the different banners that you can be displaying on the website, different links. All depends on also the product they will be advertising. Don't worry, you can also be making a lot of money, depending also how you decided to be going with the program. Thank you for watching this video. You can be coming here and also see the links, including the banners. If I click on this link in banners, that is where you can see they are showing me the programs that I have already joined. Also, once you will be getting those links when also you have already joined the program. That is what is my approved account I'm using now, which means you cannot be also joining without also having approved account. So for instance, if I click on this one and also I try to click on this 20%, it does show HTML page, and also there can be showing me the banners. If I click on the banners, that is where I can be getting all the banners I want to be displaying on my site. I can be choosing to click on this and also choosing to show any other one. Depending on the area of the website you want to be pressing this banner, that is where you can also choose which kind of banner you have to display on your website. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comment section, and also remember to notification the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at Max TV.